Off the top, we are learning more tonight about a lawsuit filed by a man who was in the car just hours before Uber shooter Jason Dalton unleashed terror on the city of Kalamazoo. That passenger now suing the ride-sharing service, claiming it could have stopped Dalton. News 8's David Horak has more on this lawsuit.
Well, 5 years after Jason Dalton's murderous rampage here in Kalamazoo, a man who was spared that day is demanding accountability from the rideshare service Dalton worked for in a civil lawsuit.
Yeah, I was pleading for him to stop the vehicle.
February 20th, 2016 was a day Matt Mellon will never forget. In this interview, just days after the shootings, Mellon told reporters he was dumbfounded as to how calm his Uber driver, Jason Dalton, was, as he was erratically driving.
He was running red lights at that point, squealing the tires. We ran a stop sign and sideswiped another vehicle. And that's when I obviously was panicking.
Dalton is now serving life in prison without parole, but Mellon believes Uber could have done something to stop him, which is why the rideshare service is the target of a now federal civil lawsuit. According to court documents obtained by News 8, Mellon dialed 911 after the wild ride and tried to call, connect, and reach Uber's incident response team directly for more than an hour. The suit says Uber's incident response team is on call 24/7, and actions that threaten the safety of riders will be investigated and, if confirmed, lead to permanent deactivation of the account. Documents say Mellon could not reach Uber to report and ensure that dangerous, deadly criminal drivers like Dalton and driving were deactivated timely, immediately, which Mellon's lawyers argue is a violation under Michigan's Consumer Protection Act. As a result, Mellon says he was severely traumatized, suffering post-traumatic stress disorder, severe survivor's guilt, and additional afflictions from the events, and believes the company could have done something to stop Dalton.
And Uber argues that the statute of limitations on Mellon's claims passed years ago and that he has no case. So far, this federal court case has no hearing scheduled yet. In Kalamazoo, David Horak, News 8.